guys, my name is Noel Zarate, a 27-year sports broadcasting veteran from the Philippines and the founder of Masterclass PH. I'm coming to you right now from what we call the Shark's Den, where nightly we broadcast billiards to captive audiences all around the world. Many want to be broadcasters, but at the back of their minds there are always these questions. Is my voice good enough? How will I look in front of the camera? Am I going to be a believable storyteller? Can I do all of this without a script, like what I'm doing right now? Well, thankfully, I've teamed up with MySavvyTutor.com to bring you the basic broadcasting workshop from Masterclass PH. Since 2001, I've helped dozens of people realize their dreams of becoming broadcasters, and you know what? It was in them all along, and it's also inside of you all along. In this workshop, you're going to learn how to project your voice. You're going to learn how to be comfortable in front of the camera. You're going to learn how to be credible and believable storytellers and probably even get an advantage during interviews. But as the saying goes, the first step to success is to show up. So book your seat right now, right here on MySavvyTutor.com. Let's leave you with a quote from the great one, Wayne Gretzky. You're guaranteed to miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Here's your shot. Please take it. My name is Noel Zarate of Masterclass PH, and the basic broadcasting workshop awaits you right here on MySavvyTutor.com.
I'm Rizza Diaz. I am a sportscaster and a news anchor and a proud graduate of CSE that's headed, of course, by Noel Zarate. And I suggest that you reach out to Noel Zarate. He can help you. He is known in the industry. He has good connections and he has a lot of friends that are willing to share also their knowledge to everyone. So good luck to everybody.
Hi, my name is Richard Del Rosario. I'm a assistant coach for Barangay Ginebra PBA team. I'm also a game analyst for the TV panel for PBA Rush. And I'm a graduate of the sportscasting seminar conducted by Noel Zarate. That it really helped me in starting a career in sportscasting, and I hope that they can continue to help other people who dreams to be a sportscaster someday. So, good luck.